In shutdown state, wake up power button. Then press and hold the power button. The screen appears on. The little icon at the top shows this state of the wind. Boot successful. Long press the power button to shut down. The screen appears OFF. Shutdown successful. Press settings key to enter the basic settings. The first item is language switching. Press OK key to enter the switch. Up and down button adjustment. Select the corresponding flag for the corresponding language.
Добро пожаловать в парковочный отопитель. Welcome to use parking heater.
Switching is completed. Press settings key. Exit the main interface. Press the settings key to enter the menu. Press down button. The second item is mode switching. Press the OK key to enter. First item. MT is manual mode. Press OK key to switch. AT is automatic mode. Press the down button to enter the next item. Altitude. M is the number of meters. Press OK key to switch. FT for feet. Press the down button to enter the next item. Temperature and Fahrenheit switching. OK key, switch. Press the down button to enter the next item. Automatic start and stop on or off. Automatic start on, automatic stop off. Press the down button to enter the next item. Turn on or off the instant heating mode. On means turn on, off means turn off. Press settings key to save and exit. Press the settings key again. Return to the main interface. Press settings key to enter the menu. Select the third item. Press OK key to enter the match. Select the corresponding remote control. Up and down buttons, select. After selection, press the OK key. The remote control flashes. At this time, press any key on the remote control. It will automatically return to the main interface. Press settings key. Select the fourth item. Manual pump oil. Press the OK key. Press the up button to open it. Press the down button to close. Press settings key to exit. Press settings key to enter the menu. Select the fifth item. Press OK key to enter the timing function. First, select the alarm on the right. Press OK key to enter the calibration time. Adjust the time through up and down buttons. Press OK key to confirm. Set the time in your region. After setting up, press the settings key to return. Select the first alarm clock and press the OK button. If today is Sunday, adjust to the sun position and press the OK button. The automatic start time can be set at this time. Set automatic shutdown time. Up and down buttons, adjust OK button to confirm. Select on. Set the shutdown time. Time required for setup. It opens at 10:27 on Sunday and closes at 10:28. Press the settings key to return. 10点27分 Auto On。10点28分 Auto Off。Press Settings key. Then press the Up Adjustment button. QR code appears on the screen. Use your phone to scan the QR code. Click on item mark. Slide screen. Check the QR code below. Jump to download app. Open after downloading. Turn on Bluetooth and connect the device. At this time, the Bluetooth icon is displayed on the switch. Press OK key to confirm the connection. Connection successful. You can use your mobile phone to operate.
In the shutdown state, long press the down button to turn on the cleaning mode. Automatically shut down after cleaning the residual fuel of the cleaning machine.